Alright guys, so we're at a drift.
Fire.
Yeah, it's just straight on fire. It's not even like poppable.
Wait.
What? High key, they're just like...
It's just like on fire.
Yeah. What is up guys? We are back with another long format video.
Yeah, this is not a 2-Minute Tuesday, but as you can see, we're out here at beautiful Summit Point, West Virginia.
Yeah, look at that. That man camped out there. We got the 3 Series here, WRX, and a plethora of
And this random guy who's parked next to us.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, there's all this other stuff going on with some cool drift cars.
Yeah.
And we're about to go out and slide. We're like a little bit late because we went back out to get food and stuff.
Yeah, it's 10:48. The driver's meeting was at 8:45.
But a young troglodyte's got to eat, you know?
Yeah, and also like the bathroom was nice at Sheetz.
I also very low-key missed the driver's meeting, so I'm just gonna like follow other people on the track.
Oh yeah. But yeah, so we're checking tire pressure RN. Then we might do this AC thing.
Yeah, I brought the AC with me because it leaks out so quick that I want to do it as soon as possible before.
So probably like after we check the pressure.
If we have like a couple laps and I'm starting to sweat, I say we come back and put in the AC.
Okay.
I can feel like the VQ-ness in my soul. Yeah, this run is cooked.
Look at that handling though.
Why do I have like more grip?
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's pretty flex. Yeah, it's like hecka grippy.
Alright guys, so back from our first excursion out there, probably got like what, 7 runs?
Yeah,
6
maybe
runs?
like 6 or something
Yeah,
like
6
that.
runs. But
We're about to have
245
lunch.
still. Are you still gonna keep those on or?
I feel like I should switch it out.
Yeah,
They're not getting burned up as quick as I thought.
facts. They low-key have a lot of tread left.
And it's like I have to keep it floored the whole time, and then I go into some of the corners too hot, but then as soon as I lift off, I like lose all my momentum.
Yeah, so we're gonna put the 225s on, but right now it's lunch break, so we're gonna eat our grub.
Yeah.
Grub. But yeah, we'll check in with... Currently the flex people are out right now.
I should try the other track at some point.
You should. Alright, so we out here jacking it up. Chalk the car with those from those. And... Oh wait, why are you jacking it up again?
I'm gonna replace the 245s to 225s.
Ah, yes.
Yeah. The tires are almost cooked, but I feel like I just want to 225 it just to see what it feels like.
That is loud. Alright, so it's actually pretty cool outside right now, but we're gonna install the AC unit, or not AC unit, but
fill up the AC, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put on max AC and see how it feels. It's looking hot as balls. I don't have a thermometer, but you can put your hand here. It's definitely hot.
Here, look. You can equip your hand from your inventory.
Yeah, feel that. That's hot.
That's pretty hot.
It's like the heater is like max right now, so we're gonna take out the AC. AC leaks a lot, like really fast in this car.
You might have seen our 2-Minute Tuesday about this.
Yeah.
It failed. Yeah.
But that's why I got it with UV dye, so that when it leaks out I can see. And also a stop leak, so if it's just a minor leak, which it probably isn't because it leaked out so fast,
like in 2 days.
It'll fix it, yeah.
So he's putting on the nozzle right now.
Oh wait, there's no
Gauge?
yeah. The heat coming off of this is intense. Okay, yeah, it's like completely empty.
Oh,
It's actually not completely empty.
okay. Also, yeah, the sun is out and it's starting to get hot. Alright guys, so man's got his helmet and sunnies already on.
Yeah. We're about to go and drift for round 2 now.
Yeah, that didn't really work out well. So
Yeah, that didn't work at all. It just
Yeah.
all leaked out immediately.
but we had a UV flashlight to look at it, but it's actually just green, so you don't even need a UV flashlight.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
I'm just gonna drive over these when we leave.
I mean, you did that all the other times. So. All right, let's pop out. We're switched to the POV in 3, 2, 1.
All right, fellas, this is our first run on 225.
See how this is about to go.
Okay, so it's not as loose as I thought it was gonna be. This is not working as well. It's too grippy. Oh no, too much steering angle. Pretty good. Yeah. I think I'm like turning in too much up there, and then I'm getting mad understeer. Come on. Definitely has a little bit less power.
All right, guys. So we came back in from which one's this one? Washington.
Yeah.
The Washington circuit over there. Not the hot laps, but just normal one.
It's like default dance one.
We upped the pressure to
52.
52 from 46, or was that 46?
It was at 46. Yeah. So my Vano solenoid is once again trolling. This is the 3rd time I've replaced it, and so since the car's down on power, we're only on 225, and I'm all the way up to 52 psi now. So we're just gonna try to have as good of a time as possible while the car is not working great, which always happens. But yeah, we're out here to have fun.
Facts. So right now we're gonna go to the Jefferson circuit.
Yeah.
Might not be able to drift it just because we've been watching them and they're like hitting 3rd gear fucking mad drifts over there.
Yeah, high key.
But who says we can't drive it?
I know.
So,
I'm just gonna be like booling and like slightly slipping out a little bit.
Facts. Major off-roading. Oh my god. Dude, let's take it fun. I think my tires are getting really hot.
Time to not do that. I feel like it's fine, but something felt weird on that turn. Maybe I did something wrong. God damn it.
Alright guys, so we're at like 6% on the battery here, but just walking the paddock for a little bit. Gonna head out. We're trying to find a trash mobile. Yeah, now this guys, this is sick.
And I guess Ellie's trying to, but it's like not really a drift car stock, I guess, but man was making it work.
Like the angle wasn't that great. Alright guys, so we are officially done. Packed up most of our things except for the canopy. We'll do that in a minute.
Yep.
Just want to do the outro first.
So that was like a pretty successful drift event. I'll say as usual, the E90 broke, and the Vano solenoid, which we've already replaced multiple times, broke again. And so this time, might have to just bite the bullet and spend $500 on actual ones. But yeah, so because of that, the car was down on power and not able to slide very well. But it was good in the sense that I was able to learn and had a big open spot to basically just send the car as hard as possible.
Facts.
So we were able to learn a lot of feint entry stuff, as well as just like get more comfortable with the high speed things on like the other track.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you'll see in the video we like went off track a bunch of times and like messed around.
Yeah, that's the track over there, but
yeah.
you'll see that in the POV.
But it was still really fun.
I agree. So with that though, hopefully
See
y'all
y'all.
enjoy this video.
Yeah, and we shall see you in the next one.